Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to report lost or delayed luggage on Jet2 application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Jet2 application. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or if you do not have a profile, you can always go and register to Jet2. So guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, in the top left corner we have the inbox, and in the top right corner we have the menu where you have search holidays, search flights, manage my bookings, and in the top bottom we have, as you can see, the home button. We have holidays, flights, we have bookings, sign in, and the offers option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and report lost or delayed luggage on Jet2 application. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. The first thing guys that you can do is go and click on, as you can see in the middle of the screen, click on the Travel Help Hub. There they can of course help you with your lost and delayed luggage. You can also go and click on the third option on this tab, which is Get in Touch, where you can go get in touch with them, tell them your problem, and they will help you fix the problem. And the last option is assisted travel. So basically you can go and ask them there if you of course can have no other options than that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you didn't, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channels, and put the notifications on. Of course, you can also comment if you have anything in mind. If you could do this guys, it will mean a ton to us because this really helps us grow this channel. So guys, that will be everything, and I guys hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys.